Kadang ngam yo complain ni.
Layak komplain, berbalik lawan orang suki, tambah kata jing thol hem air, kata ngaktif, ngalang kali kat kini ni ngakan mana kali. Ha? Pek mo, saya manong pigo yang ba. Kumilya kam kumde sudah banjam ta. Kano kulo ko bawal kabalong kabarit na kabahe na piye di ban simek sona toy.
Umroi Umroi ba daman baik lamari la Byrthen teng ya executive engineer bat ke Ophisar ke Meecl ha umiam halo ke jing yap lai ngut ki Khynnah na ke jing syat bat ha boarding electric hak sinong tangling dangsian hak mat ke Ophisar ha kamra office ba daman baik luang ba kum kani ke jing dia kam dai syu ban dia ke barit ni ke bahe ru nang ni syakmat ula dumbok ke Ophisar ba ke jing du ai gilai ngut ke men sem breu ke dai na ke jing bum sim kia kinong trai ka tanat Meecl umiam wat habal de ban pentip da ke bor sinong ru la ban kedau ba laingut ki Khynnah ka Khlad hak jing bat ka boarding electric hak sinong tangling hak khasan tarik mentau benai UMRI ka Umroi ulang ba ka jing dia bersusi kan dia la dadai ba ka Meecl ka simkia no maldol haden ba yo ya ka jing ujo na ka sinong ula ong ru ba ka Ophisar gide ban burom ya ki Paidbah ha bagi wan don kam sha office namal ba kumbalong menta wa yo sibun ki jing ujo na ki Paidbah halo ka jing Meng bat kajing bom sim kia ke Ophisar ke Meecl bat kumu MLA umla ban pediang ya kini kajing long ke Ophisar ke Meecl.
Kira tu कुछ करने पड़ेगा, ठीक करने पड़ेगा. ini नहीं होगा. Waya,
Kadang ngam yo complain ni.
layak komplain, berbalik lawan orang suki, tambah kata jing thol hem air, kata ngaktif, ngalang kali kat kini ni ngakan mana kali. Ha? Pek mo, saya manong pigo yang ba. Kumilya kam kumde sudah banjam ta. Kano kulo ko bawal kabalong kabarit na kabahe na piye di ban simek sona toy. Tapi dari wa kirkian ni department kinum yang itu kenung.
Yang betul kalau mendaki, habana wajar ando bendo.
Utkut wayar itu.
Kut wayar kan. Kahap dia kahap kasih tinggi lah ban pendik yang macam hap dah.
Nakaliam local headman jo tanggal wana approach
Yes. Please arrange water for sir.
wana approach ki verbally approach har bedi bag usana elektrik belajar dekut isa kan dia dan nakaliam jo ki ngam tip kede nakala ko basubhawan ra ta jingtro
Memang betul.
asli ubat pun ne da ba buron di email age mi ba ko la yes take action no akan right akapor ke babel ngam tharai begini ki lain wot ki begini ya dia kan kalau pergi kalau jinglong negligent ya ke duty joki ku ka Meecl kan soye malah ki sim clear marpat ki men sembri umlong ni le ka dan tai sai nari satang little bit satang benda ko dia habala don ba complain la duat complain what kena le
What the name?
We have got the name, sir, but this is not clearly defined as nominee, no. He has mentioned as that they are like parents, but exact nominee has to be certified because they will be checked, no.
Okay, you don't worry about that. I think so. Today we won't be free. The headman won't be free today because there's three people that are same village.
Yes.
No. So tomorrow's the holiday.
Monday. No problem, sir. Monday. But it has to be in the letterhead where he certify that they are the nominee.
We'll do one thing. Let him come. Maybe he won't be fluent in speaking with you because my English or Hindi na.
Yeah.
He will speak to us.
Yes.
Sabat time ni. Baik saya ni orang sunyi tu mau. Kalau mana ni ban main ni ban torture ni orang wan kuat rekam. Hero putre kamera kita baru pun. Dengan dia super pi. Mau kata ada saya mana ni ban torture ni. Mau mirror kam ni ka kumni baru barister job hero mirror kam ni ka teamwork. Kadang ka teamwork, kadang kam react. Kadang ka teamwork tak pun position. Please, kata mau tell me one thing.
Yes.
I'll send him on Monday.
Yeah.
And maybe he'll come to you here.
Yeah.
Then the SEO money team will brief whatever to do. We brief you come and talk. Now we can let you know we talk. Can let it compulsion. And I just wanted to ask what kind of compensation is there? Like what type of compensation? Financially or financially? Like how much? Like just want to distinguish.
Sir, actually, in terms of fatal is 1.5 lakhs. Yes. But sir, I think our CMD was thinking that like we will talk with the CM today. because this is a very like child, no children.
Children.
If he can do something extra also. He was telling me that give me the report first. I'll go to the report, then I will see what can be done.
ठीक कोई बात नहीं. Regarding this, you will be regarding this. I want to put it to you.
Yes, yes.
Me and you will be the main responsible.
Correct.
Buat komplain buat Khynnah le. PD ban respon ke.
Kalau mereka buat kritik ini, saya yang elemen itu dia sudah berreport.
En Khlad itu.
Khlad toyo nak saya
En ilawan lang doktor itu. Doktor Maulong. Doktor Maulong bu local headman ilawan yang kendu itu.
Saya ni lawan belum seleksi dah.
Dia nanti buatkan ni kami akan im dengan buat kabangingin lah kan dia. Ulu kalau boleh beli menewam tu, gua boleh kerja aku ni. Kerja aku ni nak lagi dok sosnau ki orang nak kerja bom sim kerja jom Meecl. Lada Meecl ke sim kerja kinem yap kini kilai mon. Nampak from time to time, kila a lot complaints from Meecl. Tapi beberapa beli ki rural headman ngimdai than ban yai prosedur orang ajing thau. Barbali betul penting tu jai ban pede. Ngimdai than ban om ni ko officially dari jing thau. Negeri Umroi.
Kalau pandai, dia ubah umur ada kata jepit om. Kalau pandai kata tu pasti ijo pi kat kerja kiara. Kata keberi. Because he's saying that now he hasn't got any information about this. How come? Yeah, more than 10 times they came. The headman of come here to complain regarding this. How come? Maybe maybe the JE is not interested at all. Just come here.
Sir,
and go.
JE is a lady who is like on contractual actually. On contractual. Lady with contractual. But from her, this one appearance also doesn't seem that like she will talk in a rough way or she will not do anything. Doesn't look like that.
See,
very sober and
to be this thing, since you're a senior most officer in this office, I want all this thing to, from now onwards, from this thing, from today onwards, they shouldn't interact with the people rudely. Lots of things.
Yeah.
Regarding him also complaint has come, don't mind. Regarding him also complaint have come, and regarding him also, SDO. He's the SDO of that area, no?
Yeah.
Regarding him also a lot of complaint. I'll be very frank in front of you, I'll speak openly. Lots of complaint have come. Then from now onwards, so please, whenever the people will come here, please accept them and please respond to them. The only thing I don't want anything from you. I don't have anything to take or give from you. I only want work and cooperation with the people. If you cooperate with them, they will automatically cooperate with you. Whether it's a small thing or bad thing, whether it's a small thing or a big thing, please take action on that particular time itself, if it's possible. That's my order as an MLA from here. Because जो भी क्या होता है, whatever happened there, whether it's that case or any whatever case that, there are people always come to me only, MLA. So that is my humble request to you, Mr. Datta.
No, we'll take that. But when people come to us, we should greet them with proper way. There should be a proper way to greet them at least. How much problem we can solve is a different thing. But at least listen to them, be very comfortable, make them comfortable, seat them, make them comfortable, make them sit, and understand the problem carefully. Then we will discuss how far we can solve the problem. Okay, it's not that just because they have come, you tell them, no, we cannot do it, just go, we'll see afterwards. Don't do that. At least accept them, accept the problem. Come on. Okay, we'll see, sir, we'll see.
So, chalo, ठीक है, regarding that.
Wait from you, sir, also you have to push.
I'll push.
We are abide by the SKCR, this one, no rules. So, you, sir, what you can do from your level to from our level, you cannot do.
No, I'll speak to the high command, they'll do something.
Yes.
From which is to give, usually, they'll increase a little bit more.
Yes. If they can
Because
do
that case is not, it's an unfortunate death, actually. It's not that they are sick or something.
Yes.
Unfortunate death. No, it's an accident, injury death. ठीक है.
Even for our staff, sir, 1.5 will be. What's the problem? No.
ठीक है.
1.5 lakhs for 1.
You